Welcome to begin our new video, guys. Today we are unboxing pair of sneakers from Fila named as Hexo. So, let's unbox this shoes. I got this from Fila store in Phoenix Mall, Kerala. Actually, I was looking for something like this, but were not available, so look at this beautiful sneaker. There is Fila branding over here. Motorsports written over here. Here you can see size information and all. Price written over here is 2,999, but I got for 50%, which around is 1,500 rupees. Overall shoe looks good. Let's see what's all left in the box. Here is the bill. That's all, guys. Box is empty. If you like this kind of videos and want to see more on this channel, then comment down below. And guys, this first time I'm attempting a unboxing video, so bear with me because I'm not a professional unboxer. Till then, bye, be safe and keep watching Gadgets Guide YouTube channel.